Do you remember the summer season 2 years ago, in 2022? That year, many parts of the world experienced the hottest summer ever recorded, breaking historical temperature records. But then came the summer of 2023, which was so scorching hot that scientists declared it the hottest summer in the last 2,000 years in the Northern Hemisphere. Fast forward to 2024, and we have seen record-breaking heat month after month. January 2024, the hottest January ever recorded. February 2024, the hottest February ever recorded. March 2024, the hottest March ever recorded. April 2024, the hottest month ever recorded. The last 11 months on Earth have been unprecedented in terms of heat. The intense heat we are experiencing today is not normal, and it's affecting everyone. Last month, Southeast Asia faced record-breaking heat waves. Countries like Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, and Indonesia reported unbearable temperatures. In the Philippines, the heat index crossed 53 degrees Celsius. Forest fires have been rampant, with severe blazes in various regions. Heatwave warnings are being issued across places that don't usually experience such extreme temperatures. Northern regions have seen temperatures soar above 46 degrees Celsius. Global warming and climate change are the primary reasons for this extreme heat, but they are not the only causes. In this video, let's understand 2 other significant reasons behind this extreme heat, and explore what solutions we can implement at the local level to cope with it. First, we must recognize that extreme weather events are not just limited to Southeast Asia but are happening worldwide. For instance, in South America this month, heavy rains caused devastating floods in southern Brazil, displacing over 150,000 people and resulting in significant loss of life. Meanwhile, in South Africa, a severe drought has left many families struggling to meet their daily needs, with experts comparing it to a drought not seen in decades. These extreme weather events are often linked to a natural climate cycle called El Niño. But what exactly are El Niño and its counterpart, La Niña? El Niño, which means the little boy or the Christ child in Spanish, is a climate phenomenon characterized by the warming of the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. It occurs every 2 to 7 years and can last for several months to over a year. During an El Niño event, trade winds that usually blow from east to west weaken, causing warm water to spread eastward across the Pacific Ocean. This disrupts normal weather patterns and leads to various effects worldwide, including higher temperatures, reduced rainfall in some regions, and increased rainfall and flooding in others. In regions like Southeast Asia and Australia, El Niño typically causes hotter and drier conditions, increasing the risk of heat waves and wildfires. La Niña, meaning the little girl in Spanish, is the opposite phase of the El Niño Southern Oscillation cycle. It is characterized by cooler than average sea surface temperatures in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. La Niña strengthens trade winds, enhancing the upwelling of cold water and leading to cooler ocean surface temperatures. This can result in wetter conditions and more frequent rainfall in certain areas, but also potentially more severe droughts in others. La Niña events can last longer than El Niño events, sometimes persisting for 1 to 4 years. Scientists predict that La Niña could begin affecting global weather patterns as early as July or August 2024, potentially bringing relief to some areas currently experiencing extreme heat. Understanding these cycles helps us prepare for and mitigate their impacts. However, human-induced climate change is making these natural phenomena more extreme and unpredictable. This brings us to the concept of the urban heat island effect, which exacerbates the impact of heat waves at a local level. The urban heat island effect occurs when urban areas become significantly hotter than their rural surroundings due to human activities. Cities with concrete buildings, asphalt roads, and little greenery tend to absorb and retain more heat. This heat gets trapped, making urban areas much warmer, especially at night. The lack of vegetation and natural cooling contributes to this effect, causing temperatures in cities to be several degrees higher than in nearby rural areas. To combat the urban heat island effect, cities need to increase green spaces, plant more trees, and incorporate better urban planning to enhance natural ventilation. Reducing the use of air conditioning, which releases heat into the environment, and promoting alternative cooling methods like radiant cooling can also make a significant difference. Historical building designs often included features for natural cooling, such as ventilation towers and white-painted roofs to reflect sunlight. These methods can be adapted and implemented in modern urban settings. In conclusion, while global actions are necessary to address climate change, local solutions can help mitigate its immediate impacts. By understanding the causes and effects of extreme weather events and implementing smart urban planning and sustainable practices, we can make our cities more resilient and livable. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on climate and environmental issues.